Hello everyone! In this video, we will cover two topics of e-commerce: invoices and payment gateways. Let's begin with invoices by clicking the appropriate setting in the right panel. In the Seller Details in Invoice field, enter your invoice details. You will see an example. You can add text in the invoice beginning and end. I will skip these settings now. Also, you can change the title phrase, which will be displayed at the top of the invoice. You can upload an invoice logo by clicking on the pen, but I will also choose to skip this one. Last setting to highlight: number length. This will limit the length of invoice numbers. I will set it to 4. Click Apply and let's move to Payment Gateways. After opening the payment settings, in the right panel, you can see the PayPal is enabled by default. Let's input our PayPal email and move on to the other two methods. Let's enable cash on delivery. This allows customers to pay if they cannot pay digitally. I'll add a line break and move on to the next gateway. The third method we will want is the bank transfer. Let's enable it and add a line break. With bank transfers, customers will use the invoice we set up earlier to make their payments. There are a lot of other payment gateways available. I'm sure you will find the ideal one for you. Let's save our website as a draft one more time as our video ends. In the next video, we will make a few final adjustments, launch our store, and even place the first order.